I'm speaking to you, it seems that the agitation has gotten into the Senate. The agitation is no longer only on the street, it's no longer now by the miscreant, but it has gotten to the Senate. And I can tell you that Senate are now proposing the division of that very Nigeria, the breakup of Nigeria. Somebody in Senate moved that motion of a breakup on the Senate, but they are trying to play it down and trying to deny the fact that somebody moved the motion. Yeah, in the House of Assembly, somebody raised the motion for the breakup of Nigeria, but surprisingly, they pretend as if they didn't hear it, and somebody called their attention and they keep on denying it. I want you to watch the video and see how far Nigeria have deteriorated. When we are saying that Nigeria is going to break up very soon, people think it's a joke. The agitation is no longer in the street. It has gone into the House of Assembly. Let us watch.
I don't know who moved a motion yesterday on the floor asking for division. There wasn't any motion taken like that. There wasn't. There wasn't. I said there wasn't any motion on that, and I insist there wasn't any motion like that. No. Please. You know, you see, if he has nobody, and you can go and take the clip again. I said nobody moved a motion on the floor here yesterday for division. So you are trying to mislead the House, and don't mislead the House. You are a leader. No. I beg of you,
Mr. Chairman.
No, you are trying to mislead the House. Please, you do not have the floor. Please control yourself. Control yourself. I say control yourself. There wasn't a motion on the. I said there wasn't a motion, and I insist there wasn't a motion for division. 2. Well, I don't want you to repeat it again because that was the position. He is saying that, Boma, I want you to be guided. We have our rules here. You do not have that power. I'm guiding you. Thank you. Well, I want to. I am not saying I'm not about the division. If the point reaches for that.
Point of order. You got somebody not man? Point of order. We can all come here. Let them come from here. It's not the best. Hey! It's okay now. It's okay now. You will kill him. You won't kill him. You don't do. You will kill him. It's okay now. Everybody say it's okay.